Now.
It's filming now, is it? Okay, so I'll hold it which way? That way?
This way here, below here. This one here, yes.
Yeah? And
Oh, yeah. There we go. It's too bloody cold here. Take this one. Fireworks are going to start very soon.
well, they've already started. But it's when they're going to stop that concerns us.
You know what I mean?
You or the drone?
I can see.
What can the drone see from there?
See the screen? So yeah, I'm gonna put the big.
But don't lose it, whatever you do. Well, yes, it's happening now.
Where is Central? Oh, Central London, yeah?
It is now.
Central London. You can see here.
Oh, you can see it all from there. Oh, good, that's fantastic. Well, it's now 2026. You can zoom in on the London Eye. That's a landmark, that is. You can see everything from there.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh yes, yes. You got it?
Yeah, got it, yeah.
You're getting it. You don't want me to carry on filming you doing this, do you?
Yeah, it's not. What else is happening?
Well, what are you pointing at? Where's he going? Bloody hell. Oh, there he is there. Oh yes, you can see right over Northfield's underground depot. Oh my God, that was a good one, wasn't it? Where's he gone? Oh, he's over there.
I'll go back. That was insanely dangerous what I just did, yeah?
Oh, was it? I don't know. I've no idea what you just did.
Yeah, I went very close to the... Oh my God, these creatures might crash this window.
What the hell's that? Was that a bat or something?
Bats, something like that, yeah.
Bloody hell.
Can you feel this from this here? This is what my night vision can see, yeah? Me as well.
Oh, where's he going? Where's he going? Bring him back here. He's going a long way away. Can you see the London Eye from there?
Yeah, I think so. I can, yeah.
Because if you can see the London Eye, that's the main focus of where it's all happening.
Yeah, you can see central London.
What is that? Is that the London Eye?
No, it's not. I can see London Eye here, yeah. Here's London Eye. Right here.
Oh, I see. Yes,
Can you see it?
I see it. That big round thing, that's the London Eye. Oh, yes, that was good, wasn't it? Shall I stop filming now?
No, don't stop filming.
Oh, God.
Just for the time and after finish now. And I come back here soon. Oh, some bird or object approached the drone. I've just seen it right here, so I'm going to come back right now. I'm not going to put my drone.
Oh,
in
maybe
danger.
that
Yeah.
bird got scared and backed off.
Yeah, I'm not going to crash the drone against the bird anymore. This is why they don't recommend you to use drone at night time.
Because birds think they're going to be attacked.
Yeah. See that bird over there? Awesome.
Oh, he's gone now, hasn't he? Well, I don't know. I mean, I wonder what I'd do if I was a bird and I saw that. I'd go ape shit. I think if I was a bird and I saw that thing following me, I'd attack it.
Excuse me.
Yes,
Space,
let's
yeah?
get out of here. Let's get out of here.
Land this drone, yeah? Finish. Very good.